Hello traders, this is Orlando for Snipe the Trade, and today we're going to review all the trades and signals that I have sent to you, or well, to my subscribers, in the last week to see how many pips we are up. And if you're not a subscriber and you want to get my signals after watching this video, just go to www.snipethetrade.com, and my signals are completely free. Just follow the steps to subscribe, and you will be receiving these award-winning and extremely profitable signals from my own terminal. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click on terminal, and I'm going to grab the period right here, a custom period, and as you can see I am watching last week's trades. And last week's trades, we made roughly $3,000. But I know that for some of you, if I say we made $3,000, it doesn't mean much because you are not going to be trading my size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab and drop all the trades into my charts, and I'm going to count the pips that we made so you can actually determine how much money you would have done or you would have made with your account size. But first of all, you can see that I sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Forex signals. And there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 profitable trades, 1 losing trade, and 1 signal that didn't get triggered or didn't get filled. So extremely profitable signals this week. And let's start by the pound yen right here. Then I'm not going to go through this US dollar Japanese yen trade because it's a break-even trade. And but I am going to grab and drop the Euro GBP right here, a GBP USD. Let me just grab the GBP USD here, and I'm going to grab and drop the pound yen. We made 2 trades on the pound yen, and a last trade on the Euro GBP. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to grab my calculator. All right, so here we go. Let's start with the GBP USD. This GBP USD trade was a short trade, and as you can see, we got ticked out, and of course, the GBP USD just continued to rally for 130 pips. So we did get out on a small loss here, and we lost 39 pips. Okay. We lost 39 pips on the GBP USD, so that's a minus 39. Well, actually you can't use minus on this calculator, so I'm going to start with the pound yen. Both trades on the pound yen were profitable. This one yield 76 pips, so I'm going to start with a 76 pip win, minus the 39 pip on the GBP USD, and we made a profitable trade for around 48 pips again on the GBP USD. So that's 48 pips. And let's go to the Euro GBP. The Euro GBP, we had 2 profitable positions on the Euro GBP. The first one yield 42 pips. 42 pips on the GBP USD. So that's 42 pips. And also a 13 pip win. And we wanted to ride the rest, but we protected our gains, putting our stops below the previous high. And as you can see, we got ticked out, or we got stopped out on a 13 pip win. So basically, that's another 13 pips. And on the Forex markets, we made 142 pips this week. Now let's go to our cryptocurrency signals, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to custom period the last week. Now let's go through our cryptocurrencies trading signals, and as you can see, we made roughly $2,000 on our signals, and we send signals on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So let's start with Ethereum, and we have 1 winning trade and 1 losing trade on Ethereum. So we're going to drag and drop both of them. This is the winning trade right here, and the losing trade if I'm not mistaken, was this one right here. And then we have one in Bitcoin right here. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. And in Bitcoin, we bought here and sold right here. Let's see. Next area of resistance. And we made 306 pips. Okay, so we're going to add 306 pips to our 142 pips from the Forex market, 306 pips. And we are going to subtract the pips that we lost here, which were 177 pips. We lost 177 pips on Ethereum, but we end up, I'm sorry, no, this is on Bitcoin, yes. And on Ethereum, we made on Ethereum 436 pips. And as you can see, we nailed that entry at the 161.8, or this level of the 270 level, and we got out before this market got really choppy. So let me remind you how many pips we made out of Ethereum. We made 432 pips. So we're going to add 432 pips, and the result is that we made 703 pips this week. Remember, if you want to trade like us and if you want to profit like us, join me. My signals are completely free at www.snipethetrade.com.